Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and check how beautiful it came. We painted inside, the sizes, and the floor looks much better. I'm gonna put the dissolution hose right now and then the vacuum hose. We cleaned the tank. It's beautiful, it's clean, it smells so good, so I'm ready to rumble. Now we are putting the suction hose using our electric reel. So much easier to do. Oh yeah. How easy. So I finished to put the dissolution hose, and I'm putting the vacuum hose inside the van using my electric reel. How pretty, how pretty. It's much easier for me to do it this way. Check it out. Wonderful. I'm in love. Check it out, how pretty. Awesome. So pretty. Everything is pretty. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and I have my products over there. Code red for Sagers, POG, other rings, Good Gone, and things like that. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. Bye.